To use ChatGPT effectively, follow these steps. 1. Begin a conversation. Start by sending a message or prompt to the model to initiate the conversation. You can include some context or ask a question. 2. Engage in a back and forth. Continue the conversation by sending messages back and forth. You can have a multi-turn dialogue, and the model will generate responses based on the history of the conversation. 3. Provide clear instructions. If you want the model to perform a specific task or answer a particular question, make your instructions explicit. Specify the format you desire or ask the model to think step by step. 4. Be patient. ChatGPT generates responses one message at a time, so it may take a few iterations to get the desired output. Experiment with different phrasings or try asking the model to think more before responding. 5. Set system level. You can use the system level instruction to guide the behavior of the model. For example, setting the system level to, "I am an assistant that speaks like Shakespeare," will influence the model's responses to be in a Shakespearean style. 6. Limit response length. You can specify the maximum length for the generated response by setting the max tokens option. This helps control the length of the output. 7. Experiment and iterate. Feel free to experiment with different approaches, instructions, or prompts to achieve the desired results. Iterate on the conversation by referencing previous messages or providing additional context when needed. Remember that while ChatGPT is a powerful language model, it can sometimes produce incorrect or nonsensical responses. Use critical thinking and review the output accordingly.